Government will not allow people to poison themselves, because in that, it is not just about that it is your milk, because once you use that particular medicine, the camel milk goes into circulation, everybody consumes. So it's a public health issue, and that is why we are restricting access. And anybody who handles medicines outside the confines of what is allowed in law, that is why we are here to deal with them.
Farmer cannot get any injectable over the counter, and if you will get one, you'll have to look for somebody to administer it. So it curbs a lot the cases of a farmer trying to treat his animals by himself with just his own knowledge.
In as far as the regulation is concerned, I also recommend the government agencies to conduct as much civic education as possible to tell those pastoralists that it's not good, it's for their own sake.